MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
The new MOTORMIA app helps people build their dream car essentially in seconds with the help of AI. This car was built using the help of the AI named Mia, who suggested modifications be made to the handling. Okay, let's take it out on the road and see how it feels.
Let's go.
Not bad at all. In the driver's seat is Isaac Bunick, the Chief Enthusiast Officer of MOTORMIA. He founded the company in 2023, naming it after his daughter Mia, who helped inspire him. 2 years later, the MOTORMIA app officially launched. Today, there are more than 500,000 people who have visited the MOTORMIA platform, according to Isaac, and each month tens of thousands download the app.
With every incremental user that jumps into the platform, she's basically getting more and more exposure to different cars, and in real time, learning about those cars, trying to help you identify different ways to experience your car.
After downloading the free app, here's how it works.
You add the car to your collection. Mia will bring to the table a picture of the car and the factory specifications of the car. Then you interact with Mia and get answers on how you can personalize that vehicle for different objectives, whether it's performance or appearance.
Mia is trained to rationalize just like a car enthusiast.
She returns what she calls Mia's favorites, which is basically the combination of real-world evidence, enthusiast consensus, and social proof, together with fitment information that gives you the ultimate answer.
Very cool tech. With Mia's help, enthusiasts can even discover where to buy the parts Mia recommends, resulting in heightened visibility for manufacturers and service providers.
She'll tell you, okay, this is the number one, these are the top 3 exhausts that enthusiasts who own a Honda Civic like to install. She'll click it, you'll see where you can get that exhaust from, you'll see what it looks like, what it costs, and if you want to add it to your build, then you can add it to your build and see what the impact would be to the vehicle, just like you would in the video game in Gran Turismo.
Eventually, users will be able to make purchases directly in the app. One day, Mia will even be able to help car enthusiasts master DIY repairs and recommend auto repair and body shops.
The MotorMia app helped me, especially on this wheel here, figuring out which size would and wouldn't rub, as well as the brake pads because we had to redo the brakes. It also helped me plan future builds for the rest of the truck.
Consequently, the app is connecting generations by preserving and passing down automotive expertise.
When it comes to the older generation, they have a lot of tribal knowledge that isn't institutionalized in any single way, and it's spread across the web. AI allows us to institutionalize that knowledge and transfer it to the newer generations that just wants the answers quickly.
About 1/3 of the U.S. population is a classified car enthusiast, but MotorMia believes the definition of a car enthusiast is gradually shifting as we start to share our roads with autonomous vehicles.
AI is taking the role right now of putting the driver in the passenger seat. Over time, most of our transactional driving will be fully automated by a robot. We believe that at that moment in time, the car enthusiast lifestyle will be universal. Everybody in America will probably keep some sort of moving vehicle in their homes to enjoy on the weekend for the thrill of driving.
Pretty mind-blowing to think about. If and when that happens, a new breed of car enthusiasts will emerge.
Over time, we hope that the technology will just close the gap, between the anxiety of thinking of becoming a car enthusiast and actually becoming a car enthusiast. There are millions of mods that have been put on cars virtually that represent enthusiast dreams. People have a very strong affinity for this lifestyle and for the joy of being able to simulate their dreams and then ultimately carry out their dreams on their cars.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.